Welcome back. Today we're gonna make some golden curry, and we're gonna make golden curry chicken. So to do that, I have some chicken thighs that are boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You wanna use chicken thighs if you really like chicken because they're super tender and they're absolutely perfect for this curry meal. Then I also have some carrots that I've already washed, and we'll chop them up and put them in. Some potatoes and an onion. And then you're gonna need about 5 cups of water. Many people serve this meal over rice or over noodles. I'll let you decide what you wanna use. I love making meals like this because I get to use my big knife. It's fun. You chop up the vegetables into a size that you're gonna like in your curry meal. Do you want another carrot? Catch. Catch. I always give the vegetables a little toss. I'm gonna change my cutting board so that I can have one that I cut meat with. The recipe calls for 2 pounds of chicken. I have 2.5 pounds. It's okay. My son tends to like more meat. Trimming off the fat. Don't need all that extra. Be sure to sterilize and clean your board when you're done so you don't get any cross-contamination from the chicken. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stir fry this over a medium heat for 5 minutes with some oil to get it nice and mixed up and a little bit cooked. Oh, it smells so good. The aroma is absolutely divine. Add 5 cups of water, cover, and bring to a boil. Now that it's boiling, we're going to reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 more minutes. I'm gonna let it simmer covered. So while that's simmering, we're going to make our rice, and for every cup of rice, you use 2 cups of water. So you can use any kind of cup, whether it's a real measuring cup or just a cup that's a coffee cup. However much rice you put in, just put 2 other parts of the equal amounts of water. So I've already done that. My rice is in here, my water's in here. Just gonna plug her in and let's cook. And we wait. While we wait for the rice and the stew to simmer, we go ahead and take our golden curry. I made enough for the whole box. Take it apart, and one of the corners, pull it open. Reminds me of those little candles, but it smells so good. What you want to do is chop it up so that it can melt into your stew, and then you cook it for the very last 5 minutes of the dish. So I'm gonna chop it up right now. This right here has all the spice you need. Golden curry. Let me check on the meat. It's coming along really nicely. I just need a few more minutes and I have a timer set. I'll be back. Alexa, turn off the timer. Now that the timer is done, we uncover the simmering mixture and we add in the curry. Now it only needs to cook about 5 more minutes until all the curry has dissolved. I'm just gonna give it a light stir. Keep it on a very low simmer. Now that the timer's gone off, you can look at the beautiful curry chicken. I see it actually hasn't completely dissolved, so I'm just gonna let it stew a little longer. It looks beautiful. Definitely stew it until you don't see any more of these clumps. Yeah, it has clumps on it right here. You want all of it to be incorporated into the stew. It should all come together about the same time. My rice is cooked. Look at the beautiful color on that curry. Such a bright looking dish, and the color definitely, it got thicker and more golden brown. It's a meal fit for a king. Look at that, it's such beautiful color.